Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect two ESP32s directly using ESP32. This powerful protocol enables fast, connectionless communication between devices without needing a Wi-Fi router. It's perfect for peer-to-peer interactions, allowing your ESP32s to talk to each other efficiently. You'll learn how to set up both a sender and a receiver, ensuring seamless data exchange. We'll cover the essential steps to get your devices communicating reliably, making your projects more robust and responsive. To configure your sender ESP32, first, you'll initialize the ESP32 protocol. Next, it's crucial to register a callback function. This function will confirm whether your data was sent successfully. Then, you must add the receiver's unique MAC address as a peer, telling your sender where to direct its messages. Finally, prepare your data payload, which can be up to 250 bytes, ready for transmission to its designated peer. For the receiver ESP32, the process begins similarly by initializing the ESP32 protocol. A key step here is registering a receive callback function. This function is vital because it automatically processes any incoming data packets from your sender. When a message arrives, this callback will execute, allowing your receiver to interpret and act upon the information. Ensure your receiver is continuously listening to capture all transmissions effectively. Once both ESP32s are configured, sending data is straightforward. The sender uses a specific function to transmit its prepared data to the designated peer. Immediately after, the sender's callback function provides feedback on the transmission status, confirming successful delivery or indicating any issues. Concurrently, the receiver's callback function springs into action, processing the incoming data. This method offers incredibly low latency and high efficiency for direct device communication.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.